Way depot na po East Janta Hills, South South kide na po East Khasi Hills, South South kide na ki way, but way kide na ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. North Garo Hills Khandai, Ribhoi R, Southwest Garo Hills R, West Garo Hills R4, Phra kide na ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Kha kide na ki way. West Janta Hills way. The active case ki baro pilum lang kilong Shihajar news pa nyufua. Pada kini Shihajar sispa knife fra kidei na po East Khasi Hills. But sispa arho kidei na ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces Shihajar nyufu fra na kiwe. West Khasi Hills Khandai, Southwest Khasi Hills Lai, Ribhoi sispa Lai Khandai. Arfundre kidei ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Chispa Khatlai kidei ki way. West Janta Hills Phra, East Janta Hills Aspa Nifusa, West Garo Hills Khandai Pusan, South Fulai kidei ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Sampu R kidei ki way. Southwest Garo Hills Khat South, South Garo Hills Lai, East Garo Hills Nyo, North Garo Hills R2R. Kibalar kawa mentaka sing hilong baro aspa prapusan. Pada kini R kidei po East Janta Hills, aspa safu R kidei po East Khasi Hills, R fulai kidei ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but aspa khandai na kiwe. Lai kidei na North Garo Hills, R fuai na po Ribhoi. Pada kini ki Arfoi, Sam kidei ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Khandreu kidei na kiwe. South Garo Hills R, Southwest Khasi Hills R, West Garo Hills Ho, but na kini iwe dei na kiwe, but Khandai na ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but West Janta Hills Lai. Baro kibalang kawan mutaksi, kelum lang baro kilong Lai Hajar, Lai Spa, South Fulai. But kibal klat no ada mentah gilo South Fulai. Karena kini ki South Sub, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces iwe, ki high risk case kidei life iwe, returning iwe, IGP cluster iwe, Lavan cluster R, Oakland Road cluster R, Railbong cluster R, Norman Song cluster Lai, Golfling cluster iwe, but Rajmawan cluster iwe. West Garo Hills R4, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces Phra, high risk Kha. North Garo Hills Khandai, baro kidei high risk, Ribhoi R, high risk iwe, returning iwe. Southwest Garo Hills R, high risk iwe, returning iwe. West Janta Hills iwe, they returning, but East Janta Hills iwe, they high risk case.